G here from OG Creations. It's monster season. Let's celebrate the creepy, the ew, the downright terrifying, and everything that goes bump in the night.
Good girl.
This year, I have created 4 exciting tie-dyes for a spooktacular Halloween inspired by classic movie monsters. The Reanimated, the Intended, the Cursed, the Undead. These long-form tutorials will be released weekly during the month of October. Additionally, I have created a full line of men's boxer briefs, bikinis, strings, thongs, and jocks for each of these tie-dyes. This week, you are cordially invited to celebrate The Intended. Filmed in 1935, The Bride of Frankenstein is the follow-up to Universal Pictures' 1931 classic, Frankenstein. Now, this is not a continuation of Mary Shelley's Gothic novel. Instead, it was a detour that left us driving aimlessly in the wrong direction for about an hour and a half. And you and I both know why.
Nope.
The woman who would demand that you stop the fucking car and she would run in and ask for directions because you're a chicken shit baby beta male. Well, she hadn't been created yet. While watching The Bride of Frankenstein, I felt Frank wanted someone to share his differences with.
Frank.
A friend, not a spouse. He was more than happy with the blind monk getting shit-faced and smoking his troubles away.
Smoke weed every day.
In today's world, that would be on par with gamer roommates who perpetually brobate together.
Looking forward to debating with you guys.
Yes,
Yeah. Oh, I brought some gentleman's lotion just for us to use.
Oh, perfect!
Yeah.
We never have enough of that.
Then we have a flamboyant mad scientist who wanted so badly to impose a hierarchical, gendered, patriarchal vision of society that he reanimated life for the sole purpose of forcing this previously at-rest body into an arranged marriage.
We won't be able to get her out of the kitchen.
Which so happens to be the exact current plan for women written in Project 2025, drafted and assembled by the Heritage Foundation. As for our iconic bride, it seems like all she wanted to know was,
Where the fuck am I?
furthermore,
She's a goddess.
She is intelligent.
It's so gay.
she would have been driving an Outback, filled with her 4 rescued pit bulls and her wife, the TA from her oral history of lesbian subjects course she met while attending Smith.
In the end, they burned together.
End of story.
In loving memory of our intended bride and the only female in the Universal Classic Movie Monster lineup, I wanted to create a tie-dye that celebrated her chickeny elegance that was captured in this black and white film. Before we get started, I humbly ask that if you like this video, please hit the like button, leave a comment or 2, and subscribe to my channel. Your help will be greatly appreciated.
When you touch me like this.
I am starting with a white 100% cotton Hanes t-shirt. Using kite string, I start to tie up the shirt in a messy, random, chaotic, geode-ish technique. I gather my material into wadded up little sections, wrapping the string around that section, gathering up more, and then tying again. I continue this process until the shirt is completed. The shirt is then soaked in a soda ash bath for 30 minutes. I squeeze out as much liquid as possible, and then I set it aside for 24 hours until it was practically dry.
Hold me like that.
On my dye rack, I start to apply my liquid dyes. Like the film, I want the shirt to be mostly black and white, while having some small hints of purple peeking out of the darkness. I start by completely covering the exposed shirt in Wisteria. Next, I randomly apply Nightshade. Followed by Raven Black. Once my dyes were applied to both sides of the shirt, I set it aside for 48 hours to cure in a 70-degree space.
Coming back to me.
It is rinsed in cold water, and then I slowly increase the temperature to hot to ensure that the soda ash had been removed. It is then ran through the laundry using a cold water cycle and then a hot water cycle.
Coming back to me now.
After it was dried, ironed, and placed into inventory, I added it to my Etsy store ready to purchase. You can get this and similar items by clicking the link above or by visiting ogcreationstore.etsy.com.
It's all coming back to me now.
Trust me when I say tying up fabric is time consuming and it's boring as hell. But when you are left with a finished product this fun, it makes it totally worth it. This cobwebby t-shirt screams and gives total Halloween vibes, and I'm 100% here for it.
100%.
I hope the lead up to your Halloween has been frightfully fun. I'll see you next time.